Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use the Intercom Chatbot. So here, first thing that we should do is we just have to open our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, just search for fin.ai. And here we have to start our free trial, and then after creating your account, you'll be able to see here your homepage. So here, get started with the AI first customer support. So the first thing that we should do is to set up the channel to connect with your customers. So here we are going to connect any of these platforms. So as for me, I am going to use the Instagram or Facebook. So in order for you to connect the Instagram, you have to log in and then connect your account. So you just have to click on the connect Instagram business account. So you have to switch your ordinary account on Instagram to a professional one or business one. So after you connect your Instagram, you'd be able to see these options right here. So for the status, it is not connected yet. So we just have to click on the connect option. And now we have successfully connected our Instagram account. Okay, so for our next one is to invite your teammates to collaborate faster. So if you want to invite your teammate to this automation, you just have to type out right here their email. So as for me, I'm going to skip this part and let us proceed to the next step, which is the add content to power your AI and help center. So all you have to do here is to simply click on the add content option. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and here you just have to optimize your content for Fin AI Agent, Copilot, and Help Center. Okay, so here we have this option. So if you want to create a new content, all you have to do is to simply click on the options at the top right of your screen. So we have here the new content. Okay, so here for the Fin AI agent, we are going to set up this one. For this video, so you just clicked on this setup option. Okay, here, since we don't have a content yet, we are going to create a new content. So you just simply clicked on this add new content and create a new content. You just have to select public article, internal articles, and snippet. And here for the content from the conversation, we also have that. So here I'm just going to use this one. Okay, so after that, just click on the get started option. And here choose popular collections to get started. So I'm just going to select general. We have the getting started and the reports. And then click on create collections. Okay, so now that we have our article or the collection already, all we have to do now is to add the content. So the very first thing that we should do here is to sync content from a website. So here, just have to add a link to your help center or documentation that answers common questions about your product. Okay, so just have to enter a valid website URL, and after that, you just have to give it a website name, and then you can also proceed to the advanced settings if you want to. Next is to import sync knowledge base from Zendesk. So here, just click on this add option, and here you just have to add your Zendesk subdomain, and this is your unique ID for Zendesk. So find it in your account URL after logging into Zendesk. So you can also sync articles for signed in users, and here you just have to choose how to connect your data. Okay, then after choosing how to connect your data, you just have to click on import. Next one is we have this content from conversation. So to fill knowledge gaps with content from conversation, we review the last 30 days of the conversations to adjust snippets for missing content articles coming soon. So here we have the conversations from selected teammates. So you just have to select the people assigned for this one, and then the conversation from the selected items. After that, you just have to click on save and generate. Okay, so next one is we have the create a new article. So since we already made a new article, we don't need to do this one. But if you want to create a new one, just click on it, and then you just have to give your article a title, so you'd be able to see that right here. And of course, if you want to add a custom answer, you can do that as well. So just click on this add a custom answer below. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds, And here you just have to choose your language first. So choose the language to train and compose this answer. Click on done after that, and here you just have to choose your question. So just select for a question your customers ask a fan. Just put it right here and click on done after that. Now here is to create your answer. So you just have to write a bot message here. And of course, we have to create a flow. So here you clicked on add step, and then you just have to select any of this one. So if you're going to select branches, here when a condition is meet, the workflow will move straight to the connected path. No other connection will be made. So if you'd like to have a multiple conditions leading to different connections, you can use the apply rules action. Okay, so we have first name is missing. So we have to set up this one. And after that, you just have to save it and close it. So take note that if you'd like to have a multiple conditions leading to different connections, you can use the apply rules action. Okay, so just clicked on the save and close after this one. And after setting up this section, we can now proceed to the next step. So you just have to click on save and close. And lastly, you have to choose your audience. I mean, the fourth one is you have to choose your audience. Okay, so last is you have to set your answers live. Okay, so in order for you to set your answers live, you have to finish the first 4 steps so that you can set your answers live. Okay, so after that, let us now save and close this section. Now, the Intercom Chatbot is an automated messaging tool to integrate within the Intercom platform. It is designed to assist your businesses in communicating with customers more efficiently, and it helps also answers common questions, guide users through workflows, qualify leads, and even book meetings 24/7 without human intervention. So the chatbot can be customized with preset flows or powered by AI to respond in real time using natural language processing. It works seamlessly across websites, apps, and other digital platforms, making it a valuable tool for improving customer support, boosting engagement, and streamlining sales processes with its easy to use interface and integration with Intercom's broader customer message system. It enhances both users' experience and operational efficiency. So the Intercom's chatbot, often referred to as resolution bot or fin.ai chatbot, plays a crucial role in automating customer service. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.